Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Welcome to Broncomania. Today we're going to do a quick show and tell on how to save your back by taking these big old tires off. This is a 35-inch tire, weighs probably with the rim and the tire well over 70 pounds, and I just don't want to haul it. So what I'm going to show you today is a cheap solution. It's $99. It's called a tire caddy, and I'm going to show you how it works. So let's get started. So what you're going to do basically is just stretch it out, and then you're going to push it forward, okay? And then you just kick this down, and it's going to go ahead and get snug in this bit, okay? And then when you have that, then you can just and it should just pull right off. That's your tire caddy. No lifting or anything. Super easy to do. I love it. And they say this is only good for 33s, but you can. This is a 35. You can easily put this up for a 37 as well. 37-inch tire, and you can just go ahead and move it to the side, and it'll hold it. And you can go ahead and work on your project or whatever you're doing. It definitely makes it where you're going to save all that lifting in your back. All right. So hopefully you guys like that tip. Like and subscribe. Appreciate everybody who has. And until next time, everybody, Broncomania.